Hey, what's up guys? Mao here for Unbox Everything, and that's right, today we've got another Happy Meal unboxing. These are the toys for August to September of 2019, and these are the Super Mario Happy Meal toys. So we're gonna be unboxing this and showing you just what they are, just what they do, and so that you can, take a look at them, have a close look, and decide for yourself if it's something that you would want to pick up for yourself or your kids or whoever. So we're gonna get into the unboxing right about now. Alright, so in here we've got the Mario toys. There are 8 to collect, but I picked up the top 4 that are probably going to be the best sellers that everyone's going to want to get and that you probably would want to get. So we're going to be taking a look at them. Let's take a look at them right now. Alright, so here they are. Let's go with the first one. Which should we open first? Alright, let's open up. So the first one, let's open up. You know what? Let's start off big. Let's start off with Mario himself. So take a look at Mario. This is called Stacking Mario Game. So this isn't the first time that McDonald's has done Mario figures, but yeah, it's a reoccurring series that they do. And this just happens to be their Mario figures for 2019. So what it comes with is these, there's one of those question mark boxes, and then one of those bricks. So what it is, you're gonna put them on a table, and you're gonna try to stack them up like a stacking game, just to see if you can make it all balance, like that. But the thing is that the bottom of his base is not flat, but it is a bit rounded, so he's gonna be a bit kind of wobbly, like that. So let's try it right here on my hand, and let's see if I can do it. And I think the star just goes on top, like that. Hey, pretty good, pretty good. All right. Cool, so that was Mario. I really like this one. Great sculpt, great quality of plastic, looks pretty good. And the next one, we've got Princess Peach Hoop Game. Take a look there at Princess Peach. I don't know what kind of pose that is or what kind of expression that is, but anyway, that is Princess Peach. And it comes with these, so they're hoops. And basically it's just a ring toss kind of game. So you're just gonna make her stand here, and then you got the rings which you're gonna toss and try to get on her head or her arms. There we go, yeah, successful. 1 point me. And that is Princess Peach. Really simple, really fun, and it's gonna be one that kids are gonna like, particularly the little girls. Yeah, they're gonna want this one. And next up we've got Yoshi, Pop-Up Yoshi. Ooh. So Yoshi has always been one of my favorites in the Super Mario series and in, the video games like Super Smash Bros. Alright, so there's Yoshi. Really cute sculpt and really cute figure. Hey, his little shell is really cute. Anyway, yeah. So there's Yoshi. Yeah. So it comes with this base, and there are buttons here on the side that you can press. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get Yoshi, you're gonna put him in the center. There's a little peg. Put him in the center, down like that. Push down, and then you're supposed to turn him. Well, he can turn the face anyway. And then what you're gonna do is press any of these buttons, and supposedly he's gonna pop out. So let's try it in 3, 2, 1. Hey! Oh, I get it. Okay, so I thought that all of the buttons make him pop up. So what you do is you put him in, twist him, and I think that it sort of randomizes which button is gonna actually launch him up. So it's sort of like a roulette type of thing, where you just kind of take turns pressing a button, and then whoever makes him pop up is the winner. So let's try it one more time. Okay, not that one. Not that one. There we go. So even if I don't quite get the gimmick, but the fact is that he pops up and it's pretty cool, and I really do like the actual figure itself. So I think that this one is still one worth picking up. And finally, lastly, is the Superstar Target game. So in here is a turtle shell and a question mark box. I just got this one because it looks really nice, and these two are actually pretty big. So they really do feel like it's worth the money you're spending for these. So what it is that it's got a star in the box, and you push it down, and it's really sensitive. So if you hit any side, it's gonna pop up. So you're just supposed to set it down on a table and try to throw this, slide it across the table, and make it hit the box, and then it's gonna, boom, the star pops up, and that's it. So you can put it far away, a little closer. You can make all sorts of games with this kind of toy. So I'm really happy with this one. It is really cute to just put on your desk. You don't even have to play with it. It actually looks really cool to just keep out on display. And yeah, these are the 4 figures that I picked up from the Super Mario Happy Meal toy line. These are the ones that are actually like actual figures. There's a few others. There are 4 others that you can pick up, but they're more just like little toys, like mini games that you can play, like puzzles. But these are the ones that are actually like figures that you can play around with, and so I think that these are probably the top ones that people are going to be wanting to buy, that kids are going to be asking for, and that you would want to pick up for yourself. And with that, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. If you want to see more Happy Meal unboxings, I do that every month. And if you want to see other tech reviews, toy reviews, consider subscribing for more weekly videos just like that. But hey, if you want to check out last month's Happy Meal unboxing, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another unboxing that you may enjoy, click or tap the screen right over here. And as always, I will catch you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything.